Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power, let's choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as ACER logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the factory mode pops up. So that's it, this is the factory mode of the ACER Liquid. Here, as you can see, the whole menu is in Chinese. You can use some Google Translator to translate this, but just to show you the most useful features, here you've got the auto test. You can perform all tests on this device, you can choose some manual tests. And you may also here accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing clear eMMC, but let's be careful with that operation because you will lose all data. If you would like to quit this factory mode, let's highlight the last option, which is reboot system, and press power key to confirm it. And that's it, the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's just wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. And that's it, the normal mode just pops up. Now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.